Hey y'all, so with my convertible, and it could be with any car, I purchased shoe polish off Amazon to take care of the scuffs. So let me show you. I just put it in a rag, rub it on there. You can already see the shine. Look at that. Look at that. Black shoe polish. So let me show you the difference. Can you see the line right here? Black shoe polish. And then I purchased red and gray to do the interior. Okay, I don't have this color, so I'm taking a little gray with a little red and mix it. If I need to add black, I will, to get a darker color. But this is how I'm renewing the rubber parts. So I just wanted to share. And what kind I used? The old-fashioned kind. Just like how they shine shoes, tongue-tied right there. That's how I'm doing this. Let's go over here to the back end. Watch this. Now, we pressure washed it yesterday to get it nice and clean. My brother was over. And look. A little elbow grease. And it's important to do this to keep it from wearing down. I mean, everything wears down. Rubber wears down. So I hope this helps somebody who has. Let's do the inside before I get off here, though. This is fun. Ladies, if you're trying to get your tan on, let's go out there in your old bathing suit. Watch. Let's see. Oh, look at that. Don't mind my lighter. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Oh yeah. Look at that. That's awesome. Look at that shine coming back. Look at that. Do a little bit more. I'm gonna wait a little bit, let it dry, and then buff it out. Look at that. So, from my car to your car, I thought I'd help out.